Good afternoon, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I've got the FRUX Home and Yard 24 flameless LED tea light candles. That's what I've got. And I got these because I used to love candles, but two things happened. I had a stroke. And the other thing was that I want to always remember, and I have a lot of little people around, so I always want to not have the candles burning because of the little people around. And, I mean, they know, fire safety and all that. Well, the 4-year-old doesn't know it like the other ones do, but still. But then again, too, it's just good for me because sometimes I'm forgetful. So this is the flameless. This is 24. Let's open it. See what they look like. How do you open this? Okay. Also, inside it has a thank you card. And it says, FRUX Home and Yard, thank you. Love where you live. And I do love where I live. So, it has an exclusive membership program to receive giveaways and promos. Okay, so I'll do that later. So let's look at this. Let's open one. I guess this is, oh, these things right there. I was wondering because that's why I look at things and take my time with them as much as I can, So it has this, and then it has these little receivers right there, that you put them in. And I'll put them because they're all in different colors. Let's see. Oh, they're all in different colors. There's black, there's beige, and then there's like a purple. Can you see that? So I'll have fun with that. Oh yeah. I'll put those around later. But let's turn this on. I gotta put this through. And this on, it burns. See that? So I like those a lot better. They last longer. They're safer, at least for me. And they're cute, and they still give the same glow. They don't give this. They still give the same warm glow. So if you like them, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, they're FRUX 24 flameless LED tea light candles. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later with today's Tuesday review day. So I will be back. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.